Hi students! In this class, I am going to teach you the chapter 1 Knowing Our Numbers. You have already studied about numbers, how to compare numbers, its operations, estimation. Estimation means rounds to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. Place value chart. Indian system and international system also you have already studied. In this class, we will study larger numbers such as lakhs, 10 lakhs and crore, its place value chart in Indian system and international system, board mass, Roman numerals, etc. Let's start our class. First, comparing numbers. See, how to compare numbers. See, 92, 392, 4456, 89,742. How to compare these numbers? See, here you can see two-digit numbers. 92 is a two-digit number, but this is a three-digit number. And 4456 is a four-digit number and 89,742 is a five-digit number. So, we can say the smallest number is 92. Why? The number of digits, the number which has less number of digits is the smallest number and the most number of digits is the greatest number. So, here 92 has only two digits and 89742 has five digits. So, this is the greatest number and this is the smallest number. The number which has less number of digits is the smallest number and the number has most number of digits is the greatest number. So, here we can see only 3 digits and here you can see only 4 digits. But in this case, you can see 5 digits. So, this is the greatest number and this is the smallest number. Okay. The next problem. Find the greatest number and greatest and smallest number. See, here 4536, 4892, 4370, 4452. See, in this case, first number is 4. Here also 4, here also 4, here also 4. So, in the first number, all the numbers, that is 1000 place, all the numbers are same. So, we have to check the next digit. So, this is the 100 place. So, in the 100 place, you can see here 5, here 8. In the 100 place, you can see here 3 and here 4. So, you have to compare all these numbers 5, 8, 3, 4. So, comparing these numbers, 8 is greater than 5 and greater than 4 and 3. So, definitely we can say 8 is greater than all these numbers. So, we can write the greatest number is 4892. See, which is the smallest one as compared to these numbers? Smallest one is 3. See, this is 3. So, smallest number is 4370. Okay. Come to the next number. 25,000. Come to the next number. 25,286, 25,000, 25,245, 25,270, 25,210. Comparing all these numbers, the 10,000 and 1,000 place are same. See, 25, 25. And the 100 place is also same, 2. Here also 2, here also 2, here also 2. So we have to come to the tens place. What is in the tens place? You can see it is 8. Here you can see 4. And here you can see 7. And here you can see 1. Which place is this? This is the tens place. Comparing the tens place, you can see 8 is greater than 7. And 7 is greater than 4 and 1. So comparing all these numbers, 8 is greater. So definitely we can say 25,286 is the greatest number, and the smallest number is see 1. Comparing all these numbers, 1 is smallest. So we can say smallest number is 25,210. Okay. One more time I will repeat. 25,286, 25,245, 25,270, 25,210. See, first 3 digits. You have to start from the leftmost place. That is 10,000 place, it is 2. Then 1000 place it is 5, and 100 place it is 2. In all the numbers you can see same. See, 25,200, 25,000. Here also you can see 2. 25,000. Here also 100 place you can see 2. Here also you can see 2. So we have to come to the next place. So that is tens place. Here tens place is 8. So 8 is greater than 7, which is greater than 4, which is greater than 1. So comparing all these numbers, 25,286 is the greatest number and 25,210 is the smallest number. Okay. Then come to the next question. Use the given digits without repetition and make the greatest and smallest. So in this case we can't repeat the numbers. See, 2, 8, the numbers 2, 8, 7, 4. With using these digits, you have to make the smallest number. How to make the smallest number? So what we have to do is you have to write these numbers in to get the smallest number. We want the smallest and greatest number. So to get the smallest number, we have to write in ascending order. Ascending order means we have to write small to big, smallest to biggest number. So here you can see 2 is the smallest number and next smallest number is 4. Next is 7 and 7, then 8. So you get the smallest number as 2, 4, 7, 8. 2, 4, 7, 8. You have to write in ascending order. Ascending order means you have to write in small to big. Then next we have to we want to get the greatest number. So what we have to do? We have to write this number in descending order. Descending order means big to small. Big to small. So which is the biggest number in all these numbers? Which is the biggest number? 8 is the biggest number. So 8. Then next one is 7 and next one is 4 and next one is 2. So the greatest number is 8,742. So greatest number is So greatest number is 8,742. Next one 9,000 9 comma 7 comma 4 comma 1. So which is the smallest number? I told you now you have to write these numbers in ascending order. So which is the smallest number here? 1 is the smallest number. Next one is 4. Next one is 7. So 9. So you have to get the smallest number, you have to write in ascending order. So you have to write like this: 1, 4, then 7, 9. So you get the smallest number. To get the greatest number, you have to write these numbers in descending order. So this is already in descending order: 9, 7, 9, 7, 4, 1. Okay. Next one: 4, 7, 5, 0. Smallest number. So I told you to get the smallest number, you have to write these numbers in ascending order. But in this case, if you put 0 in the first place, what happens? We get only a 3-digit number, 0. We get it if you put 0 first and writing in ascending order, what happens? You get only a 3-digit number. So that is, see, only 3-digit number only you get. So you have to write, how to write this number. So first you have to, after 0, which is the 0, which is the greatest number? It is 4. So you have to write 4 first. Then next you have to write 0. Then 5, 7. Then you get the smallest number. One more time. To get the smallest number, I told you to write this number in ascending order. What happens if you write this number in ascending order? According to this question, 0 is a first digit. See, but if you write 0 first, you get 4, 5, 7. But if you write 4, 5, 7, you get only a 3-digit number. So we want a 4-digit number. So after 0, which is the greatest number? 4. So you have to write 4 first, then put 0 here, then 5, 7, then you get the smallest number. Okay. Then greatest number. So to get the greatest number, you have to write this number in descending order. Descending order means big to small. So that is 7, then 5, 4, 0. Okay. Then next one, 1, 7, 6, 2. So how to write these numbers in smallest numbers? So you have to write these numbers in ascending order. So how to write this one? We comparing these numbers, which is the smallest number? 1. Then next 2, then 6, 7. So to get the greatest number, you have to write in descending order. So 7, 6, 2, 1. Okay. Then question number E. See, 5, 4, 0, 3. 5, 4, 0, 3. So to get the smallest number, if you start with 0, you get only a 3-digit number. See, look at here. If you start with 0, you get 3-digit number. 3, 4, 5, you get 3-digit number. So what we have to do? First, then after 0, which is the greatest number? 3. So you have to take the 3 and you have to write 0 here and write as it is 45. You have 4, 5, you have to write. So you get the smallest number as 3045. Then greatest number is 5430. You have to write these numbers in descending order. Descending order means big to small. So 5, 430, that is 5430. Okay. Then next, now make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers by using any digit twice. Twice means that number will repeat 2 times. See, the number is, we want a 4-digit numbers. 4-digit number. The question is to make a 4-digit number. To make 4-digit number. So the number is, first number is 387. So to get the smallest number, we have to repeat we can repeat the number 2 times. So to get the smallest number, we have to repeat which number? 3. We have to repeat 3 2 times. So you get like this: 3 3 7 8. Okay, repeat 7 8. You get 3378. To get the greatest number, you have to write the which number you have to repeat. Which is the biggest number here? 8. So we have to repeat 8 how many times? 2 times. So 8 8 7 3. Okay. Next problem. 9, 0, 5. See, here you can see 0. So if you start with a 0, then write the next number is 5. Again you have to you have to write 0 here, then 9. See, 0 5 0 9. So you get, if you start with the 0, the place value is 0 only. So you get a 3-digit number, that is 509. We want a 4-digit number. See, another if you repeat 0 0 2 times, then what you get? You get only a 2-digit number, that is 59. Here you can see you get only a 2-digit number. So what we have to do? To get the smallest number, which is comparing after 0, which is the greatest number, comparing 0, the next greatest number is 5. So we have to take 5 and repeated 2 zeros, then write 9. You get the smallest number. Okay. Then greatest number. Greatest number is, we have to repeat how many times? 9. 2 times 9. So you get 9 9 5 0. Okay, 9 you have to repeat 2 times. Okay, then you get a 4-digit number. Okay. Next problem, you can see 0, 4, 9. So if you start with 0, then 4, next greatest number is 4. So if you start with 0, then 4, then then 0, then 9. So what happens? You get only, see, starting with 0, then next after 0, next greatest number is 4. So if you write 4 here, then again you write 0 here and 9. So you get only a 3-digit number. We want which number? 4-digit number. Okay. So if you one more we have to write. If you repeat 0 2 times, then what happens? Then only you get a 2-digit number only. You get a 2-digit number. So what we have to do? To get the smallest number, you have to write after 0 which number comes, so 4 is the greatest number after 0. So we have to write 4, then 0 0 9. 4 0 0 9. To get the greatest number, you have to which number you have to repeat here? 9, 9. See, so we have to write 9, 9, 4, 0. Okay. Then next we are going to study ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. And descending order means biggest to smallest. Ascending order means smallest to biggest and descending order means biggest to smallest. See, for example, see, consider this question. 847 9,754 8,320 571. This is our question. So we have to write these numbers in ascending order and descending order. So first we have to see, look at these digits now. You have to see the digits. How many digits are here in this? You can see 3 digit. Here also 3 digit. But here 4 digits. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. Here you can see 3 digits. Okay. So comparing, so 100 place here it is 8. In the 100 place of this is 5. So which is the smallest one? Smaller number comparing to this and this. This is a smaller one. So you have to start with 571. Then you have to start with 847. Then you have to compare these numbers. Comparing these numbers, this is 1000 place. Here 1000 place is 8 and here 1000 place is 9. So 8 is greater than 9 is greater than 8. So you have to write. We have to write ascending order means we have to write small to big, smallest to biggest. So small is smallest is 571, then 847, then 8,320 and 9,754. Okay. Then descending order. Descending order means we have to write in greatest to smallest. So you have to reverse write. So here it is 9,754 you have to write first. Then 8,320 you have to write. Then 847 you have to write. Then 571 you have to write. So you get the descending order. Is the concept clear, children? Okay. Then we will continue numbers and greatest digit number also we will study. Okay, let's start. Numbers, you know, 9. 9 means it is the greatest one digit number. 9 is the. Okay, we will continue numbers, greatest digit number. See, 9. 9 is the greatest one digit number. 99, greatest 2 digit number. 999, greatest 3 digit number. 9,999, greatest 4 digit number. 99,999, greatest 5 digit number. Then greatest 6 digit number. How to say? 9,99,999, greatest 6 digit number. Then greatest 7 digit number. 99,99,999. Then greatest 8 digit number, that is 9,99,99,999, greatest 8 digit number. Okay. So in greatest 8 digit number, how many 9 repeating? 8 times 9 repeating, right? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in 7 digit number, how many times 9 repeating? 7 times. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 6 digit number, how many times 9? Greatest 6 digit number, how many times 9 repeating? Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 5 digit number, greatest 5 digit number, how many times 9 repeating? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay. Then we have to find the smallest digit number. See, numbers plus 1. Which is the greatest one digit number is 9. 9 plus 1, you get the smallest 2 digit number. To get the smallest 2 digit number, we should add greatest 1 digit number plus 1. Okay. Greatest 2 digit number is 99 plus 1, you get 100. Smallest 3 digit number. Okay. Then greatest 3 digit number is what? 999 plus 1, you get the smallest 4 digit number, that is 1000. Then 9999 plus 1, you get 10,000, which is the smallest 5 digit number. Okay. Then greatest 5 digit number plus 1, you get the smallest 6 digit number. And greatest 6 digit number plus 1, you get the smallest 7 digit number. Then greatest 7 digit number plus 1, you get the smallest 8 digit number. So see, smallest 6 digit number is called 1 lakh. Smallest 6 digit number is called 1 lakh. See, look at here. Smallest 6 digit number has how many zeros? See, look at here close. You look at please, how many zeros are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and 1. So smallest 6 digit number is called 1 lakh. Smallest 6 digit number is called 1 lakh. And the smallest 7 digit number has how many zeros? 6 zeros, you can see, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and 1. Smallest 7 digit number is called 10 lakh. Smallest 7 digit number is called 10 lakh. Smallest 7 digit number is called 10 lakh. Then what is the smallest 8 digit number? See, how many zeros are here? Count it. 7 zeros are there and 1. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and 1. So it is the smallest 8 digit number. We called it as 1 crore. Smallest 8 digit number is called 1 crore. Okay. So in this video, I am going to stop this class. We will continue in the next class. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.